A circle of diameter 8 inches is inscribed in a triangle ABC where ABC is 90. So, lovely. A, B, C 90, BC is 10, diameter 8, or radius is 4. This is 4, this is 4, this is 6, this is 6. These two should be X and X. So 10 square plus X plus 4 whole square equals X plus 6 whole square. Solve this, we should get the answer. These two are 2 apart and 10 is one of the 5s. 5, 12, 13 into 2, 10, 24, 26, we are done. 10, 24, 26 is the triangle we are looking for. That means we are looking at 10, 24, 26. This triangle will tick all the boxes. Area of the triangle is half into 10 into 24, 12 into 10, 120 square units. Half into base into height, half into 10 into 24, 120 square units. Why am I putting this in radius? This is 90, this is 90, so square. These two are equal, tangents from a point, these two are equal, radius, tangents are equal, 6 and 6, tangents are equal, 6 and 6, then Pythagoras theorem, we are through.